If a is equal to 5 minus square root 21 upon 2, then we need to find a square plus 1 upon a square. So let us find out 1 upon a first of all. 1 upon a means 1 upon this whole expression. Two will come in the numerator. And 5 minus square root 21 in denominator. Now let us rationalize this one. In denominator we will use the identity a square minus b square. (25) minus 21. 2 2 ja 4, this cancel. So 1 upon a is equal to 5 plus square root 21 upon 2. Now let us calculate a square plus 1 square. Using identity x plus y whole square, x square y square plus 2xy, so we can find out this x square plus y square by shifting this here, x plus y whole square minus 2xy. In a similar way, we will find out a square plus 1 by a square. That is equal to a plus 1 by a whole square in this way minus 2xy means 2a into 1 upon a. So a will be cancelled. Now in place of a we will put 5 minus square root 21 upon 2. In place of 1 upon a, 5 plus square root 21 upon 2. Whole square and this minus 2. Five plus 5 10, root minus 21 root plus 21 cancel upon 2 whole square minus 2, it is 2 5 ja means 5 square minus 2, so that is 25 minus 2, the answer is 23. So the value of a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 23. This is the answer. If polynomial x cube plus 2x square plus px plus q has a factors x plus 1, x minus 1, then find the value of p and q. X plus 1 is a factor, so we will put x plus 1 is equal to 0. So it gives x is equal to minus 1. So in place of x we will put minus 1. This is a factor theorem. Minus 1 square plus 1. So 2 into 1 plus 2. P into minus 1 minus p plus q. Since x plus 1 is a factor, so p minus 1 should be 0. So we will put the whole expression is equal to 0. 2 minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. We can mention here the reason, since x plus 1 is a factor. That's why p minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can simplify this one. Let us simplify this one. Minus p plus q is equal to minus 1. So this is the one equation. This we did because of x plus 1 is a factor. Now let us try this one. X minus 1 is a factor. Now x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1. So we'll put here x is 1. Now p1 will be 0 because x minus 1 is a factor. Now we'll put this expression is equal to 0. P plus q, I am writing directly 1 plus 2, 3 is equal to 0, and after simplification p plus q is equal to minus 3. This is the second equation. This is the first and this is the second. Now let us solve these two equations and get the values of p and q. We'll add this equation, minus p plus p cancel, q and q, 2q, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 after adding. So q will be, after dividing this, minus 2. Now we can put the value of q in any of the equation. Now we can put the value of q either of the equation and to get the. Now in order to get the value of p, we'll put this q. Now in order to get the value of p, we'll put the value of this q in either of the equations. Q, in place of q, I am putting minus 2. So 2 will be shifted here. P is equal to minus 1. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. So there is value of p and q. This is the answer. I would advise you pause the video and do the practice yourself. The very simple concept of factor theorem, x plus 1 is a factor, so we'll put x is equal to minus 1, get the one equation. Then x minus 1 is a factor, put x is equal to 1, get the another equation, then solve these two equations and the value of p and q. This question, it is given that a plus b plus c is equal to 0. We need to find this expression. To solve this, we have to take the LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominator is ABC, lowest common multiple. Now fraction adding rule, we'll divide this one. So BC will cancel, A will multiply with the numerator A cube. Now AC will be cancelled, B into B square, B cube. Similarly, AB will be cancelled, C into C square, C cube. Use this identity. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So in place of the a cube, b cube, c cube, we will put 3abc. ABC will be cancelled. So the answer is 3. The value of this expression is 3. Solve the expression 1 upon 1 plus x to the power b minus a plus x to the power c minus a plus 1 upon 1 plus x to the power a minus b plus x to the power c minus b plus 1 upon 1 plus x to the power b minus c plus x to the power a minus c. So my dear student, this question seems to be tough, but it is very easy. Let us solve with it step by step. So one by one, let us concentrate on the first term. We will use here law of exponents, x to the power b upon x to the power a. This we can write. Similarly, this will be x to the power c upon x to the power a. Similarly, let us solve the second term. Third term. Now let us solve these fractions. Now this is LCM, so this will be the denominator of this fraction. 1 upon this denominator. X to the power b is in denominator, LCM. Now in a fraction, denominator upon this denominator, this will become in the numerator. You can see in this all fractions, the denominator is same. Rearrange all this also in the x to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c. So in the numerator, x to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c. So this will be cancelled. So answer is 1. You can see it is very easy. We have used here law of exponents and fraction rules. If x plus 1 is a factor of polynomial 2x cube minus ax square minus 2a minus 3x plus 2, then find the value of a. So first of all, we will put x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1. Now we denote this polynomial by px. The very important concept lesson, students, factor theorem. According to factor theorem, if x plus 1 this is a factor of this polynomial, then p minus 1, polynomial of minus 1 should be 0. P minus 1 means instead of the x, we will put here minus 1. Is equal to 0, because p minus 1 0 means the whole expression should be 0. Now this minus minus plus, again minus, so it is minus a, and this minus into minus plus, so directly we can write plus 2a minus 3. So finally minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 2. And this after subtraction plus a is equal to 0. So a is equal to 3 is the answer. If x is equal to this given expression, then we need to find the value of qx square minus px plus q. Generally, students consider this question very tough because it seems to be very tough, but it is very easy if you solve step by step and with the patience. So let us first of all rationalize this expression. I use here the blue color pen to concentrate on this expression. This expression is same, positive in numerator denominator. To rationalize it, the same, so it is whole square and here it is minus and it is plus. See here, this minus this and this plus this. We will use identity a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. Now here a plus b whole square identity we will use a square plus b square plus 2ab. Again the square root will be open, then 2ab. A square minus b square means the square root will be open. 2q plus minus cancel. So numerator 2p. Now in the square root, again we will use the a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square identity. 2q whole square means 4q square. Now after opening the bracket we will get that 2p plus 2q minus p minus minus, this is plus. So here the pp will be cancelled. We started from here, the x is equal to this expression. Now again we will put this is equal to x. So x is equal to, I am putting this final expression. Now focus on calculation. We are getting cross multiply 4qx is equal to 2p plus 2 square root p square minus 4q square. We can take the 2 common and the cancel. This we can return 2qx is equal to 2 common p plus p square square root 4q square. Instead of the 4 I written 2 into 2 and here we took the 2 common, so 2 will be cancelled. Now we can have 2qx and p on this side minus p is equal to square root p square minus 4q square. Now squaring both sides in order to remove this square root using the a minus b whole square here. P square same sign opposite to each other, so cancel. Now 4q is common in whole expression. Q will be coming in the denominator of 0. So answer of this expression is equal to 0.